Good morning, student. This is As Mohammed Khan from SK Public School. I welcome you in today's segment. We were discussing about the method of contraception. There are the different methods, student. Barrier method, IUD method, and surgical method. Like this, there is another method, student, that is medical termination of pregnancy. In this method, student, when the pregnancy takes place, then that pregnancy that pregnancy is removed. Means the embryo that is formed, that embryo is removed from the uterus of the mother, student. In this, what the doctors do, student, they prescribe medicines, and those medicines have the progesterone hormone. Which hormone they give? Progesterone hormone, means orally or by the injection. These hormones are introduced in the body of female mother, student, female mother, and after taking that progesterone hormone, the menstrual cycle takes place, from which that embryo that is found just stuck into the uterus wall, that embryo is removed, student, and this process is known as induced abortion. In this, which medicine is taken, student? Progesterone hormone, and it is the unsafe method of contraception. Why is it unsafe, student? Because many times it harms the mother, it harms the female, student. That's why it is unsafe. And why it becomes unsafe? There many times, student, what happen? There are some people, they adapt it, or they use it. When the pregnancy is more than 12 weeks, means when the pregnancy is taken before more than 12 weeks, then it becomes harmful for the mother, student, because that embryo is not removed by the MTP, and there are sometimes the surgical methods or the surgery is done by the surgeons, and in which the mother can lose her life. That's why it is unsafe method, student. And this method was introduced in 1971 by the leadership of Indira Gandhi to control the population, student. And in this, there are some strict conditions are also put with the student. Means in general, no one can go for MTP, and this MTP is done only by the qualified doctor, student, qualified doctor, or under the guidance of qualified doctor. If a female or the parent go for this, then before going for MTP, they should take the permission from the qualified doctor, and it is done with the help of proper prescription, in which the some medicines are given to the female orally or by the injection, and those medicines have which hormone? I have told you, progesterone hormone, and that particular embryo or the fetus that is formed inside the uterus or stuck to the uterus wall, that embryo is removed from the body of female, student. So it is the MTP, and with the help of this we can control the pregnancy, or we can control the population. And this MTP had legalized by the Indian government, because many times what happens, student, there are some crimes takes place like the rapes. So at the time of the rapes, if the pregnancy occurs in the body of female, then that female can go for the MTP under the guidance of qualified doctor. And many times there is unhealthy embryo is formed. So that unhealthy embryo can be also removed with the help of MTP. And sometimes what happens, student, the pregnancy is not in favor of the mother, or it is not favor of the newborn. That's why doctor prescribed this MTP, student, to remove the unhealthy embryo, or to save the life of the mother. It is taken by the qualified doctor, means they do it. So it is about the MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. And this method, this is the only method that is taken after the pregnancy, means it is the method of contraception that is taken after the pregnancy, not before the pregnancy. And for this, the embryo should have the age not more than 12 weeks, student. Means embryo age or the fetus age should not be more than 12 weeks. If it is more than 12 weeks, then it will be harmful for both student, for that newborn and for the mother also. So this step can be taken by the guidance of the qualified doctor, student. And this particular MTP is also used by some parents who has desire of male child. Many times what happens, if a parent, especially in our India, if a parents have the female embryo, then that female embryo is removed by them with the help of this method. That's why there are some legal actions or some laws are formed by the government to prevent the illegal MTPs. And for this, the Indian government have some strict decisions, and the person who does this, they are sent to the jail. So it is about the MTP, student. Now you will write about this important topic in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.